Hi, this is Michael, and this is a review of the CamelBak Podium Chill. This is 21 ounces. I am a big fan of the Podium Chills. I've been using them for quite a few years, actually, and some of my collection of them are right here. This one's just a little bit different, though, and what makes this primarily different is the diameter is about 1/4 inch less than these other two, and that just makes it fit into a water bottle cage on your bicycle a little easier to get this in and out. So the shape is just slightly different, but otherwise it works just pretty much the same. It's basically a dual layer plastic that has a little sort of a sleeve inside the two layers, which is the insulating layer. And you wouldn't think it would be that effective, but darn if it isn't. It really is effective. You can start off with really cold water, and after maybe an hour of riding, you've still got water that is definitely cooler than it would be if it didn't have the insulating layer. I've reviewed all these other ones, these other CamelBak chills, Podium chill bottles, and I've actually done extensive testing of the water temperature after certain periods of time. So if you're really interested, you could search out one of those earlier reviews. But in this one, I just want to talk about it because I've already done the work previously, and I just didn't want to repeat it for this particular review. But on the top of the bottle, you just have a very simple lock to lock it so it doesn't drip. All of them pretty much work the same. This one doesn't have any water in it, but this is the last one that I reviewed a few months back. This is for dusty conditions. It has a cap on it, so that just keeps the tip a little cleaner. And so if you're mountain biking and such, this one right here is a little nicer, unless you like eating dirt all the time. But I just want to show you the water flow. There's not a straw that goes in on this. This just, you tip up and then you just squeeze the bottle. But it is watertight unless you actually squeeze the bottle, and that is when the water comes out. And this other one, this is basically the exact same thing. Just the tips are a little different. And one of the things that I do like about the CamelBak iterations of these is that you don't have to bite on these. I don't like bite valves. For me, I just don't care for them. I'd rather just tip the bottle up to my mouth and give it a squeeze. But with these, it does squeeze out pretty forcefully. It's like you've got resistance, and then all of a sudden it comes out. So you just have to get used to that, and you'll be fine. But I cannot recommend these enough. These are really great, and you know, even if you're not cycling, just to have a water bottle that's a little bit more insulated than plain plastic, it's awesome. My only reservation with this, and I don't even think I can justify it exactly, but they do say that the bottle contains an additive, red flags, to inhibit microbial growth. However, they also go on to say that it does not protect the user from disease-causing organisms. So I don't really know what the additive is, but anytime something is added, I just want to be a little cautious about that. I'm not losing sleep over it, but just something you ought to be aware of. It is BPA-free, however. Big fan of the Podium Chill, and there you have it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll try to answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great day.